Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your workspace and tools so you avoid scratches. Lay the Airpods and Mous case on a flat, clean surface. Keep a microfiber cloth under them. Once ready, locate the case seam and hinge. That tells you where to apply pressure. Insert a thin plastic card or spudger at the front lid seam, not the hinge, and apply gentle, even pressure. This begins separating the snap fit without stressing the hinge or tearing the material. Once the card is partially in, keep steady pressure and slide it around the seam in small increments so the clips disengage sequentially. Make sure to protect the case finish with a cloth as you pivot the shell slightly. You do this to prevent edge chipping. If resistance increases, back off and try a new insertion point. This reduces the chance of breaking plastic clips. Continue until the front lip lifts free and the back shell begins to peel away gently. You finish by lifting the front shell straight up once the clips near the hinge are clear. Do not twist the hinge. After removal, clean the contact edges with 70% isopropyl to remove debris and check clips for any cracks so the case will reseat properly. If the case is stubborn, warm it briefly with a hairdryer on low to soften the material, then retry with the same gentle card technique. Avoid metal tools, those cause scratches and snapped clips.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.